Welcome back, Michael Wickerson here. I just can't get away from the physics, and I can't get away from looking at quantum physics, and now I'm finding string theory the most wonderful thing to return to. So what you can see here is a model for the branes or brains, whatever. I don't even know what they're termed. Shows my ignorance. But in string theory, and I'm just building diagrams for it. So this is nice. It outputs the strings associated with the surface, which is called the um, Brane visualizer. And then what I've got with it is I'm finally applying my animation tool, which I made just for reading kind of simulations. So that one is this one over here, just called the animator. It runs off of setting it and then setting the time frame of how you want that, how fast you want that to move up to a second, intervals, and all the way down to like really, really slow. You can reset it. You can turn it off if you just want to see your image. So that's a nice little node. And then the other thing is just the strings. How many do you want to see? What's the resolution? You can cut that down and see that you can limit the resolution. Very simple curves, and then you've got a very simple amplitude and frequency that you can touch on, and then you can always reset. Actually, attach it to the device. So I guess if you stop, this is actually outputting. I'm wondering how that attach actually functions as information. But anyway, that's the node. It's pretty simple. That's the video. We'll turn it back on. And Wickerson Studios simulations with looking into quantum physics and all the different things that might be interesting to people. Oscillators, classic physics. There's some, I don't know if I did thermodynamics or not. Anyhow, this is it. This is what I'm interested in, outputting very fast moving strings and surfaces for geometries that can be applied from anything from the AAC community can find a use for it, jewelry design, any product design, and certainly a sculptor, an artist, or a musician, or anybody kind of mixing up all of those, math, art, and sound, would find use for this. Anyway, Michael Wickerson, Wickerson Studios. It is what it is.